Welcome to RM's Easiest Biology. Today I will tell you how to remember amino acids in each column easily within 5 minutes. So see here, in the first column there is phenylalanine, leucine, isoleucine, methionine, valine. So for this first column you can easily remember by a mnemonics, that is person, life is most valuable. Here P is for phenylalanine, L is for leucine, R is for isoleucine, M is for methionine, V is for valine. So we can easily remember that the person life is most valuable. So along with mnemonics, you can also remember the codons for each amino acids. So see here, for phenylalanine there are 2 codons are present. For leucine there are 6 codons. For isoleucine there are 3 codons. For methionine there is only 1 codon, and valine for 4 codon. There are, you can easily remember person life is most valuable, and remember the number 26314. So for the second column we can easily remember the second column by the mnemonics, that is SPTA. Here S is for serine, P is for proline, T is for 309, A is for alanine. And in the second column there is, codons for amino acid. Each amino acids are 4 codons, that is serine 4, proline 4, 309 4, and alanine 4. So we can easily remember the second column by SPTA. We move towards the next third column. So third column we can easily remember by the mnemonics, that is the student, has got a laddu and gulab jamun. So see here, T is for tyrosine, S is for stop codon, H is for histidine, G is for glutamine, A is for asparagine, L is for lysine, A is for aspartic acid, G is for glutamic acid. That is, for third column, we can remember that the student has got a laddu and gulab jamun, and the number of codons are, for tyrosine there are 2 codons, there are stop codons are 2, histidine 2, glutamine 2, asparagine 2, lysine 2, aspartic acid 2 and glutamic acid 2. In third column, each amino acid having 2 codons. Next, we move towards the fourth column. See, in the fourth column, there is a cysteine, stop codon, tryptophan, arginine, serine, arginine and glycine. So for fourth column, we can easily remember that Chetan sir took a significant advantage of government. So for the fourth column, there is a mnemonics. Chetan sir took a significant advantage of government. See here, the C is for cysteine, S is for stop codon, T is for tryptophan, A is for arginine, S is for serine, A is for arginine and G is for glycine. So numbers are, for cysteine having 2 codons, there is 1 codon for stop codons, there are 1 codon is for tryptophan, 4 are for arginine, for serine there are 2 codons, arginine 2 codons and glycine 4 codons. So we can easily remember that the number 21142224. Along with these mnemonics, that is, Chetan sir took a significant advantage of government. So like this we can easily remember a full chart with amino acids and number of codons. So if you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.